Welcome. Today we are going to treat logarithmic equation. We have various questions here that we need to solve for. Solve for x in the following equation. Log x to base 10 is equals to 3. Log 2, log 27 to base x is equals to 3, and the rest. So as we did to indices, exponential equation, we also have logarithmic equation. And so let's start and take them one by one. But mind you, do not forget that we're going to apply the knowledge of indices here. So let's start by taking number one first. I'll be fast and just watch closely and make sure after the end of the video you do it from number 1 to number 7 to know whether you already got the techniques or secret of solving it. Don't just watch and say you have known it, but you must solve on your own. Take rough paper, write the question down, solve it, and cross-check your answer with this if you're on the right path. So number one is log x to base 10 equals 3. Remember, in the previous video, we can change this one into index form. The 3 becomes the power of 10, and we solve for x. In index form, comma, 3 becomes the power of the base of the log, and everything is equals to x. So you can now say 10 raised to the power of 3 equals x. And therefore, x is equals to 10 raised to the power of 3 is 10 30, that is 1000. That is it. So if you press your calculator along 1000, what you get is 3. So x is equals to 1000. Number 2, we have log 27 in base x equals 3. What is x? Like I told you, if you change it in index form, x will be x raised to the power of 3 equals 27. The 3 becomes the power of the base, and everything is equals to the number. So that is how we solve. You understand? So this straight away is exponential equation. We find a number that will raise and give us 27. So let's look at 3. You have x raised to the power of 3 equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 will give you 27. Power is equals to power. This time we equate base. Power equals power equates base. Hope you understand. So therefore x equals 3. And that is the answer. It's very simple. It's very simple. Simple. So let's take number 3. Number 3 is log 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to log 2 base 2 is equals to 4. So let's find x. You can also rewrite this one in index form, like by saying 2 raised to the power of 4 equals to 4x raised to the power of x plus 1. And you know that we must make the base to be equal now, because this 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So we continue. 2 raised to the power of 4 equals 2 raised to the power of 2 into x plus 1. Base equals base, equate power. So 4 equals 2x, can bring it, which is 4 is equals to 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2. So our x now will collect like term, bring this back, which can be written as 4. If plus is crossing, the changes to negative. It's equals to 2x. This side, collect like terms. Like terms. You understand? So we have 2x equals 2. Divide both sides by 2. The coefficients of x, which is 2, we now have x is equals to 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 1. X equals 1 as the answer. So it's very simple. Very simple. Very simple. So let's take number 4. Number 4 is log 8. Number 4 is log x to base 8 minus 4 log x to base 8 equals 2. So let's solve for x. Remember, this can be moved to be the power of this. You can change it. Have log x to base 8 minus log x raised to the power of 4 to base 8 equals to, what is this? You can write this as log times this. Remember, we are trying to do something here. We are trying to introduce something. Something was missing, so we need to trace it back. So log x to base 8 minus log 4 raised to the power, x raised to the power of 4 to base 8 is equals to 2 log 1 log 8. Log of the same base is 1. Log of the same base 8 is 1. So we just got it back. We got it back. So what do? We apply our rules. Minus changes to division. And this one that is at the back one becomes the power of 8. So we now have, take 1, log 8, x over x raised to the power of 4, everything close, is equals to log 8 raised to the power of 2 to base 8. This log cancel this, and we have this left. This cancel this, and we have 4x over x all over 4 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4 equals 8 squared. So let's take it up and do it again. So we have from x all over x raised to the power of 4 is equals 8 squared. 1x can cancel x here, and get this x cancel 1 from here. We have 1 all over x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 8 square. So we continue and make this one 1 here and cross multiply. Cross multiply. This multiplied by this multiplied by this, which will have 8 square x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 1. This is indices we are solving. Equals to 1. And we can go further and clear the coefficients of x, x, which is 8 square. We now have 8 square x raised to the power of 3 over 8 square equals 1 all over 8 square. This cancel this. We now have your 8 cube equals 1 all over 8 square. I hope you understand. It's very simple. It's in indices. You just need to take it step by step and you'll get there. So what we do here is to clear the power of x by multiplying it 1 over 3. Multiply the powers by 1 over 3 to clear this. So we have x raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 equals 1 over 8 square, everything multiplied by 1 over 3. This cancel this, and we have your x alone. You have your x alone. So how do we simplify this further? How do you simplify this? You know, this can be written as 2 raised to the power of 3. 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 3 in bracket 2. You can put big bracket 1 over 3. So you can solve this to be, this times this is 6. 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 6, everything raised to the power of 3, 1 over 3. And it will goes on to be multiply everything, which is 1 raised to the power of 1 over 3 all over 2 raised to the power of 6, everything multiplied by, because it belongs to all of them. This cancel this, remainder 2. And this one still remain. 1 raised to the power of anything is still 1. So our x is equals to 1 all over 2 square. X equals 1 over 4 as the answer. X is equals to 1 over 4 as the answer. So it's not difficult, just that it's long, but you need to follow it step by step. Step by step. Another one we need to do is I want to rush it so that we can cover a lot of examples. Then from there, you'll be able to find your way around it. See lots of questions. Log 3x plus minus 2 is equals to 1. So how do we go about this? Minus changes to division, and this one, because there is no indication of base here, which is assumed to be base 10. So what will you get to get log 10 is 1. So we'll introduce log 10 here. We now have log bracket 2x plus 1 all over 3x minus 2 is equals to log 10, which is 1. Log 10, which is 1. And therefore, this can cancel this. This can cancel this. So we now have this cancel this. And we have 2x plus 1 all over 3x minus 2 is equals to 10. Becomes algebraic expression, a normal equation. So you cross multiply, you have your 10 into 3 x minus 2 is equals to 2x plus 1. So open the bracket, we have 30x minus 20 equals 2x plus 1. Collect like 10. This one should come, this one should go. We have 30x you have 30x minus 2x is equals to 1 plus 20. We have 28x equals 21. Your x equals 21 over 28. What is common? 7 times 4 is 28. And 7 into 21 is 3. So 7 here, 3. 7 here, 4. Your answer will be 3 over 4. It's simple. It's simple. So with this, I believe it is very easy to get to do. Just follow it and you'll get. I will do the last one, number 7, and leave number 6 for you to do. Let me do the last one and leave number 7 for you to do. So number 7, we have 2 log 3 whole number 3 over 8, all close to base x is equals to 6. What do? This one should come back. We now have log into 3 times 3, 8 times 3, we have 24 plus this, that is 27. So we have 27 over 8, everything square to base x is equals to 6. Remember, we can rewrite this one in index form. In index form, x raised to the power of 6 is equals to 27 over 8 raised to the power of 2. But this can be raised to a power. Like 2 raised to the power of 3 will give you 8. 3 raised to the power of 3 will give you 27. Therefore, we have x raised to the power of 6 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 over 2 raised to the power of 3, everything power 2. Everything power 2. So from here now, this can serve for both 2 raised to the power of 3. Can we write it as x raised to the power of 6 equals 3 over 2 all power 3 bracket 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. That's what we want to introduce. X raised to the power of 6 is equals to 3 over 2 all raised to the power of 6. 2 times 2 is 6. Now you can see that the power are common. And you know, power is equals to power equate the base. Therefore, your x is equals 3 over 2. You can bring it to a simpler form. 1 whole number 1 over 2. That's your answer. It's as simple. I believe if you follow the method, you can solve many of the questions. If you have any comments, drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video.